Hello my dear students and friends. Yes, application of trigonometry 9.1 seventh problem. Let us learn. Yes, let us read the problem. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom of the top of the transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20 meters building height are 45 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. Find the height of the tower. Here what is required by a building is there. Alright, a building is there. Yes, it is 20 meters. 20 meters. It is the foot of the building. It is base. It is the base. Yes, a man is there. On this building, a tower is fixed. On this building, a tower is fixed. That means what is this length? We don't know. X meters. It is X meters. Up to here is the building. It is the tower. A man first stand here and look at the building with 45 degrees. Later and he lifted up his face and looked at the tower also. He looked at the tower also with 60 degrees. With 60 degrees. Now we have to find out the tower. It is the tower height. It is the building height already given in the bracket in the problem itself. Tower height we have to find out. Let us name it A, B, C, D. Let us name them. Yes, it is the right angle triangle. We are talking about the trigonometry. All are the right angle triangles. Yes, let us find out the tower height. First of all, let us write what is building. B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G. Building height. Height is 20 meters. Building height is 20 meters. Tower, T-O-E-R. Tower height is H-I-G-H. Height is, we don't know. Let us think X meters. Let tower height is X meters. Alright. You see, a man looked at the building. A man or somebody looked at the building with 45 degrees. That means the angle of elevation is 45 degrees. Right, let us write angle of elevation. Why you are writing is just he looked at the bottom to here. Here he looked at, not from the up to down. He is from down to up. Yes, 45 degrees. Again he looked at the tower. With 60 degrees. It is also angle of elevation. Next, angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Angle C is equal to 90 degrees. It is the figure drawn and vividly it is described. Now let us see. First you look at the building with 45 degrees angle. He looked at the building. It is the adjacent side. D is the adjacent side, and look at the building. CB is the building. So we have to find out distance. That means the relation 2 is the ratio. These two relation opposite for the angle, opposite side and adjacent side relation is tan relation. Is it equal? Is it equal? Yes, tan 45 degrees is equal to what is tan ratio? Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side how much? From here to here only 20 meters. By adjacent side how much? We don't know. DC, let us write. DC. Now tan 45 degrees side how much? 1 tan 45 degrees is 1. Yes, 20 by DC. Less, let us cross multiply DC into 1 DC, that is equal to DC 1 into 20 20. Yes, DC is equal to the distance from elevation point, and to building is the distance is 20 meters. Let us write 20 meters. This is the 20 meters. Now he looked at the top of the transmission also, isn't it? Now let us see. Here also the relation is for this 60 degrees opposite side and this adjacent side. The relation between opposite side and this adjacent side is the tan, isn't it? Yes, let us write here tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite side how much? You see up to here and this also, because we are looking at this entire triangle. For opposite side is 20 plus x. Opposite side by adjacent side is DC. Opposite side means from here to here and here to here. That means 20 plus x by DC. Isn't it? But tan 60 means how much? Tan 60 means, root 3. Root 3 is equal to 20 plus x by DC. Same we have written. Yes, tan 60 is equal to 20 plus x by DC. Let us cross multiply. Yes, 1 into 2 DC into root 3. Root 3 DC is equal to 1 into 20 plus x. 20 plus x. Isn't it? That is. But DC how much? DC is 20 meters. Root 3 into 20 meters is equal to 20 plus x. Isn't it? Let us, this 20, where is it? Is DC length. That is this distance. Isn't it? Now we have to find out the x, the height of the transmission from the building to here. Isn't it? X, let us keep it x here and is equal to root 3. This side what is root 3 into 20 x. This 20 when comes to this side minus 20. Isn't it? 20 minus 20. Yes. Now what is plus 20 minus root 3 into 20? Root 3 into 20. Yes, let us write here. Yes, root 3 into 20 minus 20 is equal to x. Yes, it is one term. It is one term. Terms are divided with minus or plus. Is it in term? Two terms are there. In the two terms, 20 is there. So let us bring out 20 outside. Yes, 20 let us bring outside. Here what will be 20 brought out means root 3 is only there. And minus 20 already brought out means 1. 120 is 20. 1 is there. That is. Yes, it is the x. X height is how much? That means AB value is AB value. AB is equal to x. X is equal to that is. Is it? Yes. Now 20 root 3 minus 1. It is clearly let us do it. 20 into root 3 and how much? Root 3 value how much? 1.7. 1 point what is? 732 roughly root 3 value is 1.732 minus 1. When we subtract in this 1 cancelled, yes, what is remaining? 20 into 0.732. How do we get when these two are subtracted? Yes, 1.732 minus 1 means 1 will be cancelled. Plus 1 minus 1. Remaining what? 732 remaining. That means 0.732. Yes, let us multiply. 20 into 0.732 is equal to 16.64. What is? These are all meters. What is? Yes, what he asked for the height of the tower. Height of the tower is HEIGHT. Height of the tower. How much? Height of the tower is 14.64 meters. It is Are you able to understand? It is very easy, simple problem. Thank you very much. Please like and share and subscribe.